Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about PDFZilla PDF Editor for Windows, an easy and powerful tool to edit and convert PDF files. Let's start. First of all, what is PDFZilla? PDFZilla is a PDF editing and conversion software for Windows. It helps you edit text and images in PDF files, convert PDFs to other formats, and manage your documents easily. If you work with PDFs daily and want a simple solution without complexity, PDFZilla is a good choice. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of Wondershare PDFZilla. Edit PDF text and images. Make changes directly inside PDFs. Convert PDF files. Convert PDF to Word, Excel, HTML, TXT, and images. Batch conversion. Convert multiple PDF files at once. Merge and split PDFs. Combine or separate PDF pages easily. Rotate and crop pages. Adjust PDF pages as needed. Password protection. Secure your PDF files. Simple interface. Easy to use, even for beginners. So, who can benefit most from it? PDFZilla is helpful for students working on assignments, office employees handling PDF documents, small business owners, teachers and researchers, anyone who needs simple PDF editing and conversion. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, PDFZilla is safe to use. It is a trusted Windows software used by many users worldwide. Your files stay on your computer, and the program does not damage your data or system. Now, how to use it. Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install PDFZilla on your Windows PC. Open the software and load your PDF file. Choose the action you need: edit, convert, merge, or split. Make your changes using the built-in tools. Save or export your file in the format you want. In just a few minutes, your PDF work is done. Now, if you want to unlock all features and remove limitations, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a quick overview of PDFZilla for Windows. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.